everyone! Now today I'm in my kitchen to do another recipe with you. I had a request from Martin and his family who really enjoyed making the Gruffalo crumble for something that they could make together to eat for lunch or dinner, something healthy. So I thought, let's have a think. I know I'll do some pasta. So today I'm going to make some fresh tomato pasta. Now, let's have a look at all the things we need. The first thing you're going to need are tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. Now I'm using cherry plum tomatoes, but you can use any tomatoes you have, big or small ones. You need about 100 grams per person. And then you need some pasta. Now I'm going to use spaghetti today because that's my favourite. And you need 100 grams per person of that as well. The next thing you're going to need is this herb called basil. This is the kind of herb that you find in pizzas. It makes the pasta sauce taste delicious. But if you haven't got basil, you can use parsley or any other herbs you've got. Or if you haven't got fresh herbs, you can use dried ones. And then we're going to use some garlic to make it taste good. Then we're going to use some cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. I'm going to use Parmesan because that's what I like on my pasta, but you can use cheddar or mozzarella, whatever kind you've got at home. Now I'm going to put olives in my pasta because I really like them. And you can have a try at those if you'd like. Or if not, you can just leave them out. And then you're going to need some olive oil as well and some salt. And that's all the ingredients. Look at what tools you need. You're going to use a chopping board and a knife. You're going to need a wooden spoon. You're going to use a garlic crusher, a cheese grater, and you need a frying pan and a big pan to cook your pasta in. And you're going to need a colander to drain your pasta as well. But now we've got everything ready, we're ready to cook. What's the first thing we need to do before we start? I know, wash your hands and put your apron on. Now my hands are all nice and clean. I'm ready to start preparing all the things I need. Now the first thing I'm going to do is wash my tomatoes. I'm going to put them in the colander to wash them and give them a wash. There we go, all nice and clean. We don't want dirty tomatoes, do we? Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to chop them up. First of all, we need to cut them in half and then into little pieces, about that big, can you see? Now I need to chop up all these tomatoes. Now chopping tomatoes can take a long time, especially when you have to cut them into little pieces. So you might have to get people to help you. You might have to all work together to cut the tomatoes into little pieces. That's all my tomatoes done. Now the next thing I'm going to prepare is my basil. So I'm going to pick the leaves off, and you can put as much of this in as you like. Now I love basil, so I'm going to put quite a bit in. And what do you think we need to do to this basil before we put it in our cooking? That's right, we need to wash it to make sure it's nice and clean. It hasn't got bits of dirt and stuff on it. Okay, let's get this nice and... Oh, I think we're going to have a little bit more. Let's give it a wash. A handful of that. I'm going to chop it up. Now you can use scissors to chop this up if you like, or a knife. Just make sure you wash the scissors first, make sure they're nice and clean. There we go, that's all my basil chopped. Now we need to get our garlic ready. We've got to get the skin off. So you have to chop the end off and peel off the skin. And then it's ready to go in the garlic crusher. Yeah, so we've got our tomatoes, we've got our garlic, we've got our basil. We need to do our cheese now. We need to grate it. Here we go. Grating enough cheese for everyone can take a long time. So it meant that you could take it in turns with people in your family. I think I've got enough there. So now I'm ready to cook. So now I'm going to cook the pasta. You're going to need an adult to help you with this because you're going to have to use hot water. And now with water and it's coming to the boil, so I'm going to put my pasta in, and an adult needs to do this for you because the water is very, very hot. So we pop that in there, and as it cooks, it will slip down. You can use any pasta you like, but I love spaghetti. I've got a song about it. Spaghetti, spaghetti, you wonderful stuff. Spaghetti, spaghetti, I can't get enough. Now, slide all that down, and then we've got to see how long you need to cook it for. So you need to look at your packet, because every pasta is different. And I'm looking at this one, and it tells me I need to cook it for 11 minutes. So how am I going to know when 11 minutes is over? Oh, I'll use the timer on my oven. Now the pasta is cooking, we're ready to cook our sauce. So I've got my frying pan and I put it on the heat. Make sure an adult does this with you because this is very, very hot. So we're going to pour some oil into our pan. Just a little bit. Okay. And then we're going to crush our garlic. So remember we put our garlic in the garlic crusher, just like the ones we use in Play-Doh at Chelwood. And then you have to squeeze it to get all of the garlic out. Now I'm using 1 clove. You can use half if you don't like it garlicky, or you can use more if you like it really garlicky. And if you don't have a garlic crusher, don't worry, you can just chop it up with a little knife. There it is. And then on top of that, I'm going to add our tomatoes, all the tomatoes that you chopped up really small. Let's put those in. Can you hear them sizzle? I'm going to cook these now until they go a bit soft and mushy. Now, the smaller you cut them, the quicker they'll cook. Okay, so I've been cooking the tomatoes. Come and have a look what's happened to them. Oh, they're all squishy. And all the juices come out to make a lovely, delicious sauce. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Do you remember the salt we had earlier? Just to make them taste nice. And then I'm going to turn that off until our pasta's ready. That's my buzzer, that means my pasta's ready. Let's turn the timer off. And what we're going to do now is we're going to drain our pasta, and that's where we need our colander. I'm going to use my oven gloves because the pan is hot, hot, hot. Okay, once your adult has helped you drain your pasta, you put it back into the pan. Now we're ready to put all our lovely things together. First of all, we're going to put in the sauce, the tomatoes. All those on top, all juicy and scrummy. Oh, I love tomatoes. And then we're going to put in our basil that we chopped up. Do you remember? Put in our basil. Now, I'm going to put olives in mine. I'm going to use my special spoon that's got holes in it to drain off all the juice. Now you can put them in whole if you like, or you can chop them up with a knife, but I'm going to show you how I like to do it. I like to squash them till they break up into little pieces. They're all different shapes and sizes. This is quite fun to do. Do you want to have a go at putting olives in yours? But if you don't like them, you can leave them out. Maybe have a try though. Okay. And then we're going to mix it up. We're going to mix it all up together. Mixing up the pasta, and the sauce, and the basil, and the tomatoes. That's looking so yummy. So now my pasta's ready. I've put it on here so it doesn't make marks on my worktop. And then I'm ready to serve it in these bowls. Now there's 3 of us for lunch today. So I've got one for me, one for Holly, one for Ruby. How many bowls will you need in your family? I'm going to scoop it out. Oh, it's very slippery and slidey. Yum, yum, that looks good. Let's put a little bit of extra sauce on the top. Looking delicious. And then we need to add the cheese that you grated, you remember, on the top. Looks like that's ready. Let me call everyone. Holly, Ruby, lunch is ready. I'm ready to eat my pasta. I'm going to swirl it around my fork on my spoon. Oh, that tastes good. All those tomatoes and basil and cheese and olives, very, very yummy. Now, if you like pasta, you can check this recipe out on Facebook, or there's some other recipes there too. There's one for kale pasta where you can use any green vegetable, and there's also one for minestrone soup, which is like a soup, a vegetable soup with pasta in it. So all those pasta fans out there, check out those other recipes. Bye!